Look out there.
They know the kids that are in need. They see it every day of the week, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. So at Christmas time, when we start Operation Santa Claus, they'll sign these children up because most of the time these kids might not have Christmas. So once they sign them up, then what we do, the boys, we go out, we have people that give donations, just like you guys have done with the new unwrapped toys. And with those, we go and we make sure that each child has something that's on their wish list. Because when they're signed up, they do have a wish list.
3 wheels.
Had to finish it on 3 wheels.
Go Tyler, go Keith, go John. Goose got a speed up forward. Speed to the top forward and probably the 7-6. 1 back. 1, 2, 3, down front straight, round the low, inside move on the leader. 1 is 2, nose to tail. 1 is down, 3 to the Speedway. And 2. He went 45, 501. John's going 44, 502. John's going second. Oh, he makes the pass. John's really got it. Around they go. Very excited. We've got about 2 minutes left. That does change the one order right now. John takes the lead. He's at 45, 505. That's it. 2 minutes left. John, call on the goose. There we go. 1, 2. The goose will have to come all the way around. There we go. Nose, 2 tails, nose, 2 tails. Great race. 64 down the front straight. All 4 bars. Yeah. 1 11, 5 minutes of the race. He's running 16. We got a paper ball. We said we have a ball. Now it's pulled up, right here. It's going down. You got it. So I found it out. You got it. So I found it out. That does fall to do up the first place. And we'll win. Hold it together.
Present to you Santa's hand there.
Oh man, that's awesome.
There we go. Now get right there in the middle or not, and
Face me. Where I'm worried to see. Thank you. Small Tyler.
I mean, I guess I'm kind of speak for myself, but a lot of feeling from the other guys. Feel pretty fortunate that we're able to play with these cars and whatnot, and there are kids, you know, there's probably some RC cars in here, in fact, but there are kids who may not have something this Christmas, and we're pretty fortunate we get to run these things and be kind of kids at heart most every other Saturday around here, and just something we came up with to donate. We wanted to find a good cause, and I got with them and told them about Operation Santa Claus and how that was a real local level, grassroots level gift deal, and everybody agreed this sounds like the perfect place for us to do this, and there you go. We got a whole nice big box for you guys, and if you want to tell the folks a little bit about what